Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Kraken. Now, since we want to make a transfer to our Kraken account, what we need to do first is we want to get our address here for Kraken. So, in this case, you want to go to kraken.com, access your account, and in here, what we need to do is we just need to choose the option here that says deposit, since we want to transfer into our account. Now from here, it's going to ask you to verify yourself first. So if you haven't verified yourself, just click on get verified and just follow the on-screen steps that you'll be seeing. But typically, once you actually verify your account, this is what you'll be seeing. Now you should have the option to select which crypto that you want to transfer here. So you could go and select whichever crypto, be it Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also you have the capability to choose which network you want to use. So just make sure that what network you're using here, you remember that because you'll be using that as well when you're making a transfer on your Coinbase account. Now you can go and just basically copy the deposit address here and head over to Coinbase. Now here in Coinbase, what we need to do is we want to go and just log in into our account, and we want to go to the right side here, and you just need to click on the send crypto option. Now you want to go and choose your Coinbase wallet. Now from here, you should be able to start searching for whichever crypto that you want to make a transfer for. Now, currently, you can only make a transfer if you have enough funds in your account, but typically, once you have enough funds, this is what you'll be seeing. So, in this case, you could go ahead and choose your wallet here. In this case, it will be which we selected before, and you could also basically select your destination address. So, you could go and just click on it and enter the address that you want to send to. Now, just make sure that you're using the same network that we used before. And also the amount here, you could go and click on use max if you want to send everything. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.